In continuation of the previous video, it was incomplete when we solved the question. We were solving the question in the first video. Due to some disturbance, it is not completed. So, in continuation of the previous video, we have a d2b upon dx square is equals 2 times sin x into cos x dv upon dx. Let us take dv upon dx is equals p. Then above differential equation can be written as dp upon p is equals 2 upon sin x into cos x dx. And integrating above, we can get dp upon p and 2 sin square x upon sin x cos x upon sin square x plus c. I have taken. It is due to fact on dividing by the sin square x in the numerator and denominator. Here 2 upon sin square x and sin x by cos x into sin x into cos x by sin square x sin x cos cancel. And here cos square upon cot x. And after taking t is equals cot t minus dt is equal to cosec square x dx. So 2 cosec square x dx becomes minus dt upon t. So it is minus 2 dt upon t plus c. And here is log p is equals 2 minus 2 log c. And log p is equals minus 2 log cot x log c. And where c is equal to log c1. We can take c1. So log p is equal to log c1 upon cot square x. P is equal to c1 upon cot square x. And you have taken p is equals dv upon dx. So dv upon dx is equal to c tan square x dx. And so dv equal to c tan square x, c1 tan square x, and plus c2. And so integrating this, v is equals c1 sec square x minus 1 dx plus c2. c1 tan square x minus x plus c2 is v. And then putting this value v, we can get y is equal to u means cot x, then into v, that is cot x into v is c1 tan x minus x plus c2. So y is equal to c1 1 minus x cot x plus c2. Cot x is complete solution. This is the complete solution. Now we shall discuss the method 2, which is removal of first derivative. In this regard, what are the steps taken by method 2? Just I am going to write here 2. Removal of first derivative. Method. Of course, normal form. Let us consider Let us consider a differential equation d2 y upon dx square plus p dy by dx plus q equal to 0. This is taken equation 1. and you are asked to solve this differential equation by the method of removal of first derivative term or by reducing it in the normal form. For this purpose, step one is, we suppose y is equal to u into v, taken as equation number 2, is complete solution. Of differential equation 1. Then dy upon dx is equal to u dv upon dx plus v into du upon dx and d2y upon dx square is equal to u d2v upon dx square plus 2 times du upon dx dv upon dx plus v d2u upon dx square putting these values in equation 1, we can get u d2v upon dx square plus 2 du upon dx dv upon dx plus v d2u upon dx square plus p u du upon dx plus v dv upon dx u dv upon dx plus v du upon dx plus q u into v is equals r. And after simplifying, d2v upon dx square plus 2 times du upon dx plus p times u dv upon dx plus v d2u upon dx square plus p into du upon dx plus q u into p is equals r. Alright. We can divide this by u on dividing. By u we can get here is d2v upon dx square plus 2 upon u du upon dx plus p dv upon dx plus here d2u upon dx square plus p du upon dx plus q u v upon u is equals r upon u. Now this is taken as equation number 3. When we look at this equation 3, this is a new differential equation in x and v and x we can say, and the first derivative of v is dv upon dx, and the method is removal of first derivative. So when you try to choose, we are trying to check 2 upon u du upon dx plus p equals 0, then dv upon dx, that is the first derivative, is removed from here. So let us remove first derivative. In the above equation 3 by taking 2 upon u du upon dx plus p equal to 0, or we can say du upon dx is equal to minus u by 2p, or we can say du is equal to minus 1 by 2 u into p dx, or we can say du upon u is equal to minus 1 by 2 into p dx, and this can be written as on integration du upon dx, du upon u is equal to minus 1 by 2 integral p dx, and here du upon u 1 minus 1 by 2, so it is log u is equal to e to the power minus 1 by 2 integral p dx, u is equal to, because this becomes log u is equal to minus 1 by 2 integral p dx, so u equal to this. Now putting this value of u this value of u in equation 3 you can get. So when we try to put this value of u, means at the place of du upon dx, since du upon dx is minus u by 2p, so d2 u upon dx square becomes minus 1 by 2 u dp upon dx plus p into du upon dx, and we can say d2 u upon dx square minus 1 by 2 u dp upon dx and plus p and minus u by 2p. So we can get here it is minus 1 by 2 u dp upon dx minus u times p square by 2. This is d2 u upon dx square. So when we put these values in equation number 3, what is going to happen in equation 3? It is d2 v upon dx square from 3 d2 v upon dx square, here is plus 2 upon u. What is du upon dx? Du upon dx is minus p by 2u minus u by 2p, alright, plus p because it is here just plus p dv upon dx, this u has gone, this u has gone, u has gone, plus d2 u upon dx square is this one, so it is minus u by 2 dp upon dx इसको मिटा दिए, तो minus 2 u upon 2 dp upon dx, and here is plus the previous, it is p times du upon dx. So p is p, and du upon dx is minus u by 2p, and here is plus q into u, here is u into v is equal to r. I have taken here is r. So it is d2v upon dx square. We can say here this will be v upon u and r upon u, because I have taken by the dividing by u is in the previous question number 3. So, and this becomes 0, and plus here is minus u upon 2 dp upon dx minus up square upon 2 plus qu v upon u is equal to r upon u, and so d2v upon dx square plus here is minus u upon 2 dp upon dx minus p square by 2 plus q u upon v upon u. I am taking u common, here is u is square and u is equals r by u. Now d2v upon dx square plus minus u by 2 dp upon dx minus p square by 4u plus qu or v upon u is equals r by u, and so it is d2v upon dx square plus u is taken out, so q minus 1 by 2 dp upon dx, and here is minus p square by 4, and here is v, because u have taken common and this v cancelled. I have not taken v is equal to r by u, and so this differential equation, let us take I is equal to q minus 1 by 2 dp upon dx minus p square by 4, and s is equal to r by u. So it gets the form d2v upon dx square plus I into v is equals s, and this form is known as normal form. And this differential equation can be solved easily by previous methods, and can get value of v, and this value of v and the value of u is equal to e to the power minus integral p by 2 ds gives y is equal to u into v is complete solution. So now we shall do the question based on this method in the next video. And today it is all about, and tomorrow in the next video we will discuss the application of this method, how to solve the differential equation of linear differential equation of second order by the removal of first derivative, that is reducing the differential equation in normal form. This will be applied in questions, and how to solve the differential equation of second order by removal of first derivative. Thank you.